Life insurance in Plain City, Ohio. It is simply because you can be sure in the insurance that you apply for, and it has a large amount of protection to get a relatively low price. Anybody who will get guaranteed life insurance obtain a sort of coverage that has an excellent buy. Choosing what is best for your family and an insurance that obtains a large amount of protection. Insurance that guarantees and assures you far better. Any individual who's looking for life insurance with cash value desires to obtain the very best buy possible, but with so much out there to take into account, it may be instead challenging to separate the very good choices from the poor ones. Since costs on everything from groceries to gasoline are within the rise these days, it is not surprising that insurance policies are subsequent this trend. That's the number one cause that a guaranteed life insurance policy is really a smart selection, specifically given the financial climate today. With guaranteed life coverage, the coverage holder has the chance to obtain coverage to get a set value which will never be raised for that whole policy time period. That implies that a policyholder who buys a 20-year contract these days paying $50 monthly will preserve that exact degree of protection for the next 20, a long time for the identical $50 monthly. Even when inflation causes the dollar to weaken, and even if the costs on everything else within the world quadruple, the cost of guaranteed income life insurance coverage will remain exactly the same because the day it was purchased. This type of coverage can be secured for any period of time from 1 calendar year as much as 20 years, occasionally even longer. A guaranteed income life insurance can also be a great buy, mainly because of the easy fact that it really is an approach to get a large amount of protection to get a relatively low price. Like most phrase insurance policies, this type of coverage is designed to switch earnings for a family within the occasion and the death on the coverage holder. Therefore, the amount on a guaranteed life insurance strategy can be quite excessive, although the month-to-month premiums will stay much reduced. Anybody who desires to get life insurance coverage that is able to totally changing their revenue and taking care of the family they go away behind may obtain this sort of coverage is really an excellent buy. Even though other policies like whole life will construct up cash worth more than time, the deal with worth of these policies is generally so reduced that it might in no way be able to supply all the needed cash in the event of loss of life. Additionally, complete life policies are usually a lot much more costly, generating assured phrase coverage the far better choice for many men and women.